A developer recently replaced 90 failing enterprise SnapLogic pipelines with a single Python script and one SQLite file. The post detailing this swap hit the top of Hacker News, pulling in hundreds of comments from senior engineers who had successfully done the exact same thing to stabilize their own systems. This highlights a persistent reflex in modern software architecture. When engineering teams build multi-step agentic workflows, the automatic default is to spin up a heavy distributed orchestrator like Kafka or Temporal to manage the state. But for a massive class of these systems, that infrastructure is entirely unnecessary. You can achieve strict durability locally using an embedded SQLite database running in write-ahead logging mode, paired with asynchronous replication to object storage. By stripping out the distributed orchestrator, teams eliminate severe operational bottlenecks and increase system reliability by simplifying the recovery path. To understand why this works, we have to look at the orchestrator trust surface. In a multi-step agentic workflow, every single action, an API call, a database read, a reasoning loop, carries an independent margin of error. As the chain of steps grows, the overall reliability of the system degrades exponentially. If an agent is forced to log every one of those steps to a globally shared database service like clustered Postgres, it incurs a network hop latency penalty for every transition. This animated diagram shows multiple isolated worker nodes attempting to force their state updates through a single central database hub. When thousands of concurrent agents hit that same monolithic state store simultaneously, it creates a severe write contention bottleneck. The central lock blocks concurrent writes, the database rejects incoming data packets, and the connected worker nodes stall. Transactions are orphaned, and the entire system cascades into failure. This architecture directly contradicts how an AI agent actually operates. An agent's workload is inherently sequential, highly bursty, and strictly single-tenant. It does not need to share its immediate execution state with other active sessions. Aligning the storage model with the specific execution pattern is the core principle of execution layer architecture. Forcing single-tenant agent state into a multi-writer shared state orchestrator creates an architectural mismatch. You are paying for the overhead of a distributed system to solve a problem that is actually local, introducing network points of failure where none existed before. Large language model calls are highly resource-intensive. They require several seconds to return a response and carry high token costs per inference. If a stateless agent container crashes mid-execution, the entire context window is wiped from memory, and all subsequent steps dissolve into nothing. Because AI outputs are non-deterministic, you cannot simply restart the chain from the beginning. A second run will generate a completely different sequence of reasoning, breaking the original logic path. The system requires deterministic replay. If a crash occurs, the agent must be able to boot back up and resume its operation exactly from the last completed step, using the exact context it had previously generated. Deploying a massive multi-node message broker cluster simply to pause and resume an isolated script consumes thousands of dollars in compute and engineering hours for a problem that can be solved locally. A lightweight, immutable execution log saved directly to local storage satisfies the deterministic replay requirement. It provides complete state recovery without a single network penalty. This brings us to the 4-layer durable agent state pattern, a logically sound framework designed to replace heavy orchestrators. The first layer is isolation. A single SQLite database is assigned to every agent inside a microVM, creating a zero blast radius. A sidecar process continuously streams the local database changes directly to external S3 object storage. By combining strict file isolation with external asynchronous backup, the compute layer becomes disposable. The workflow state persists independently of the hardware, ensuring the agent can resume regardless of which specific instance is running. Layer 3 is replay. Instead of using the SQLite file merely as a key-value store, it functions as a strict sequential execution log. By enabling write-ahead logging, SqLite provides robust transactional ACID guarantees directly within the application process. Readers never block writers, and state updates are appended instantly. If a container terminates abruptly, the recovery pipeline is exact. The system pulls the database, replays the streamed log entries, and the agent's WebAssembly execution loop resumes on a new machine exactly where it left off. Frameworks are already adopting this. LangGraph implements this pattern natively through its checkpoint.sqlite module, allowing developers to persist complex agent states locally. By passing a stable thread ID variable for each user session in the code, the system enforces the database isolation logic without manual schema management. This entirely eliminates the standard 50-millisecond network hop required to query an external orchestrator. The fourth and final layer is scale, representing an explicit migration path to a distributed Postgres cluster. This layer is reserved exclusively for architectures that genuinely demand multi-instance shared state and global concurrent writes across a single dataset. The four-layer architecture systematically defers distributed infrastructure complexity. You only pay the operational tax of a shared database when the workload mathematically requires it. This chart compares a shared queue's stalling limit against the throughput of isolated databases. Using this isolated architecture, Cloudflare workflows scaled their concurrent execution instances from 4,500 to over 50,000 globally distributed runs. They achieved this density by abandoning centralized message queues, instead nesting individual SQLite databases inside isolated Cloudflare durable objects. Beyond scaling, this architecture solves a major friction point in highly regulated environments: cryptographic compliance chains. By utilizing the embedded database as an append-only execution log, the system inherently generates a native, verifiable audit trail of every decision the AI agent makes. This zero-cost audit trail natively satisfies strict GAMP 5 data integrity requirements and FDA regulations, proving exactly what code ran and what data was manipulated. A local first-state architecture simultaneously enables massive horizontal scaling and strict enterprise compliance, all without provisioning a single piece of external infrastructure. The optimal database for an agentic workflow is the absolute smallest one capable of surviving a crash and executing a clean replay. To ensure you aren't over-provisioning, apply the 4-question state architecture audit. Question 1. Does this specific agent actually require shared state with other concurrent instances? Question 2. Is the system paying unnecessary network latency penalties for a database running on external hardware? Question 3. Can the workflow be deterministically recovered if the container is terminated immediately? And question 4. Is the agent utilizing more infrastructure overhead than its actual execution state demands? These 4 questions transform infrastructure from an automatic default into a series of documented trade-offs. By recording these audits in a decision journal, you create a baseline of architectural intent, ensuring that every server and cluster in your stack is there because the state requirements demanded it, and not simply because a distributed orchestrator was the easiest thing to deploy.